Last chapter we studied coordinate system example. Then in this chapter we studied find the perpendicular distance of a point zero 5/4 from the line six x plus 8y minus 45 is equal to 0. Then first upon given that x1 y1 is equal to 0 5/4 and x plus by plus c is equal to 0, which is this equation 6x plus 8y minus 45 is equal to 0. Comparing this equation, a is equal to 6, b is equal to 8 and c is equal to minus 45. Hence, perpendicular distance of point 0 5/4 from 6x plus 8y minus 45 is equal to 0 is ax1 plus b into y1 plus c upon root of a square plus b square. Here we put this value a into 6 into 0 plus b into y1 5/4 plus c means minus 45 upon root of a square means 6 square plus 8 square. Here then we get 6 into 0 0 plus 4 into 2 5 into 2 10 minus 45 upon root 36 plus 8 square 64 is equal to 10 minus 45 is equal to minus 35 upon 36 plus 64 is equal to 100. Hence we get minus 35 upon root 100 is equal to 10. Hence we get minus 3.5 is equal to 3.5 units. Hence perpendicular distance of point 0 5/4 from line 6x plus 8y minus 45 is equal to 0 is 3.5 units. Then we give second example. Find the length of perpendicular from the point -3 -4 on the line 4x plus 2 is equal to 3y minus 4. Hence upon given equation of line is 4x plus 2 is equal to 3y minus 4. Hence we solve this bracket 4 into x 4x plus 4 into 2 8 3 into y 3y minus 3 into 4 12. Hence we get the equation 4x minus 3y plus 8 plus 20 is equal to plus 12 is equal to plus 20 is equal to 0. And comparing with this equation, ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Hence we get a is equal to 4, b is equal to minus 3 and c is equal to 20. And point x1 y1 is equal to minus 3 minus 4. Hence we give the perpendicular distance. So we give hence length of perpendicular length of perpendicular from point -3 4 is equal to a into x1 plus b into y1 plus c upon root of a square plus b square. Hence we get a into x1 4 into 3 4 into minus 3 plus b means minus 3 into minus 4 plus c is 20 upon root a square means 4 square plus b square means minus 3 square. And so we get 4 into 3 minus 12 minus plus 12 plus 20 upon root 4 square 16 plus minus 3 square 9. And so we get this and this, you get cancel and get 20 upon root 25 is equal to 20 upon root 25 is the 5 piece. So we get 4 units. Hence length of perpendicular from -3 -4 on the line is 4 units. Then we give third example. If the length of perpendicular from 5 4 on the straight line on the straight line 2x plus y plus k is equal to 0 is 4 root 5 units. Then find the value of k. First upon we given that p of x1 y1 is equal to 5 4 and equation of line is 2x plus y plus k is equal to 0. Comparing with ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, hence we get a is equal to 2, b is equal to 1 and c is equal to k. And perpendicular distance length of line is equal to 4 root 5 units. इथे perpendicular length दिलेली आहे, so we find out, hence perpendicular length is equal to mod a into x1 plus b into y1 plus c upon root a square plus b square. Here perpendicular length is 4 root 5 units is equal to a into x1 2 into 5 b 1 into 4 plus c means plus k upon root of 2 square, a square means 2 square plus b square means 1 square. Hence from this formula we find out is equal to 5 into 2 10, 10 plus 4 14 plus k upon root 2 square 4 plus 1 is equal to 5. Then next step we get this mod sign cancel and we get 14k upon root 5. Hence First we multiplied this by this, so 4 root 5 into root 5 is equal to 14 plus k. But root 5 into root 5 is 5. 4 into 5 is equal to 14 plus k. Hence we get 20 is equal to 14 plus k. Hence we get k is equal to 20 minus 40. Hence k is equal to 6. Hence this is the value of k. Then we give next formula. Perpendicular distance between the parallel lines ax1 ax plus by plus c1 and ax plus by plus c2 is equal to 0 is mod c2 minus c1 upon root of a square plus b square. परपेंडिकुलर डिस्टन्स फाइंड आउट करायचं असेल पॅरलल लाईन तर c2 minus c1 upon root a square plus b square. Then we give first example. Find the distance between the lines x plus 2y is equal to 5 and 6x plus 4y is equal to 6. Hence, how to find out distance between these lines? First, upon given that L1 is 3x plus 2y minus 5 is equal to 0. First equation, and L2 is 6x plus 4y minus 6 is equal to 0. This is second equation. Then this equation divided by 2, hence we get त्रिक 6 बेदुना 4 त्रिक 6 is equal to 0. This is third equation. And which is of the form ax plus by plus c1 is equal to 0 and ax plus by plus c2 is equal to 0. Hence, comparing this equation with this, hence we get a is equal to 3, b is equal to दोघांचं सेम आहे 2 into 2 and c1 is equal to -5 and c2 is equal to -3. Hence we give distance between parallel lines is given by the formula c2 minus c1 upon root a square plus b square. Hence we give SV2 is minus 5 minus C1 is minus 3 into root of a square means 3 square plus 2 square. Hence we get minus 5 plus 3 upon 3 square 9 plus 4 is equal to minus 2 upon 9 plus 4 13. Hence we get 2 upon root 13 units. Hence distance between them is 2 upon root 13 units. Then we give second example. Find the distance between two parallel lines three x plus 2y minus 6 is equal to 0 and 3x plus 2y minus 12 is equal to 0. First, upon given equation of lines are 3x plus 2y minus 6 is equal to 0 and second equation is 3x plus 2y minus 12 is equal to 0. Then which are of the form ax plus by plus c1 is equal to 0 and ax plus by plus c2 is equal to 0. Hence we get, comparing this equation, a is equal to 3, b is equal to 2, c1 is equal to minus 6 and c2 is minus 12. Hence we first upon find out hence distance between this line is equal to c2 minus c1 upon root of a square plus b square. Hence we get, put this value in this equation, c2 minus c1 minus 12 minus 6 upon root a square 3 square plus b square. Hence first upon minus 12 plus 6 upon 3 square 9 plus 2 square 4. Hence we get minus 12 plus 6 minus 6 upon root 12. Hence mod sign minus sign get cancelled and we get 6 upon root 13 units. This is the distance between two parallel lines. Hence, the distance between two parallel lines is 6 upon root 13 units. Then we give third example. Find the distance between parallel lines two x plus 3y plus 7 is equal to 0 and 6x plus 9y minus 10 is equal to 0. How to find out distance between these? First, upon given equation of lines are L1 2x plus 3y plus 7 is equal to 0 and L2 is 6x plus 9y minus 10 is equal to 0. This is first and the second equation. Then dividing equation 2 by 3 because this coefficient and this coefficient सेम आला पाहिजे. सो इथे 2 येण्यासाठी 3 ने डिवाइड केलं काय होणार 3 दुने 6 3 त्रिक 9 thus 10 upon 3 is equal to 0. This is third equation and comparing with this equation with ax plus by plus c1 is equal to 0 and ax plus by plus c2 is equal to 0. Here a is equal to 2 and 2 same, b is equal to 3 3, c1 is equal to 7 and c2 is equal to minus 10 upon 3. Then we give the distance formula. Hence, distance between the line is given by the formula c2 minus c1 upon root of a square plus b square. Hence, here c2 minus c1 minus 10 upon 3 minus 7 upon root of a square 2 square plus b square means 3 square. Hence then we solve this equation. Minus 10 minus 7 into 3 21 upon 3 upon root 2 4 3 square 9. Hence we get minus 10 minus 21 is minus 31 and 3 root 9 plus 4 30. Hence we give distance between line is minus sign get cancelled and 31 upon 3 root 30 units. Hence the distance between lines two x plus 3y plus 7 is equal to 0 and 6x plus 9y minus 10 is equal to 0 is 31 upon 3 root 13 units. Then we give next example. Find the perpendicular distance between the lines between the two parallel lines two x plus 3y plus 5 is equal to 0 and 4x plus 6y plus 90 is equal to 0. So first upon given equation of lines 2x plus 3y plus 5 is equal to 0 and 4x plus 6y plus 90 is equal to 0. Then here 2n multiply dividing by 2. So dividing equation 2 by 2. So 2 2 4 3 6 and 90 upon 2 is equal to 0. It is third equation. Then equation 1 and 3 are of the form ax plus by plus c1 is equal to 0 and ax plus by plus c2 is equal to 0. Hence we comparing this equation. A is equal to 2, b is equal to 3, c1 is equal to 5 and c2 is equal to 90 upon 2. Hence we given perpendicular distance between the lines is mod of c2 minus c1 upon root of a square plus b square. Hence we get 19 upon 2 minus c1 minus 5 upon root of 2 square plus 3 square. Hence we get 90 minus 5 into 2 10 upon 2 into 2 square 4 plus 9 is equal to, we get 9 upon 2, 4 plus 9 30. Hence we get distance is 9 upon 2 root 30 units. Hence the perpendicular distance between the two parallel lines is 31 upon 3 root 30 units. And so we find out this perpendicular distance. In next chapter we studied all the unit 2